You are just 3 quick and easy steps away from launching your new Collaborize portal. The Setup Wizard will help you get up and running in just a few minutes. Once you've completed the setup, you'll be able to go back anytime to further configure and customize your community by accessing the easy-to-use site management tools from the Manage menu at the top of your Collaborize portal. Let's take a quick look at the Startup Wizard. Step 1 is to enter your community information. This is where you name your Collaborize community, give it a URL or web address where it will be located, and enter a contact email address which will appear on the contact page of your Collaborize portal. If you have a logo that you want to add to the header of your site, you can upload it here. For best results, we recommend horizontally configured logos. If you don't have a logo, the wizard will automatically generate a simple text logo for you. You may also choose to add a tagline or slogan which will appear directly beneath your logo on your Collaborize site. Finally, you may enter the web address for your existing website, if you have one. Your members can access your website from Collaborize either by clicking Contact Us or simply by clicking on your logo. Step 2 of the wizard is where you select the membership type you want for your Collaborize portal. There are 2 types of membership: private and public. Private communities are password protected and require an invitation or approval from the moderator to participate. Public communities are open to everyone, although you can still require email validation before a visitor participates. Public communities offer the added convenience of being able to access your site using login credentials from other trusted providers like Gmail, Facebook, and Twitter. Step 3 of the wizard is where you really begin to shape the purpose of your Collaborize portal through the creation of categories and category groups. These are the primary way to organize your community's conversations. The categories that you select will define your areas of interest and help your community understand what you are trying to accomplish with your Collaborize portal. Every time you post a new question for your community, you can assign it to one of these categories. So think about the topics and ideas that you expect to be discussing on your portal and create the categories accordingly. You may also organize your categories into groups to make it easier to index your discussions. You will find several default category lists that may be a good starting point for your organization. You can use them as is or modify them to better suit your needs. You can delete the ones you don't want or add new ones. To add a new group or category to your list, simply type the name you like and click Create. You can also reorganize your categories and groups by dragging them up or down with your mouse. Remember, these initial categories and groups are just to get you started. As a moderator, you can always add, delete, and resort your categories later on. Now that you have your initial categories, go ahead and click Publish to launch your site. You'll immediately see your new Collaborize portal behind the Getting Started guide. This simple guide will help you to get your portal populated with topics and people. You can also select or change color themes for your new community. As a moderator, you'll have a set of controls at the top right that lets you make changes to the categories, adjust your portal settings, or easily modify the color scheme anytime you want. Be sure to watch the short Moderator's Tutorial video, a guide to achieving success with your new Collaborize community.